Chapter 9, Topic 9.2, Title, Care and Maintenance of Fabrics. In this video, we will talk about different types of stains and ways to remove them. During this program, we will discuss about stain, classification of stains, methods of stain removal. You have seen your clothes getting spoiled due to stains. You stain your clothes with food items while eating or drinking something like tea, coffee, etc. Sometimes when you work with grease, you stain your clothes. Even while applying nail polish, lipstick, you might stain your clothes. So let us understand the concept of stain and the ways to remove them. First, we will talk about stain. You have seen stain on your clothes, but do you know what a stain is? A stain is an unwanted mark of discoloration on a fabric caused due to contact with another substance. If you have ever accidentally spilled tea on your clothes and washed it off immediately, you must have realized that the stain gets removed quickly. Old stain takes long and also a lot of efforts to remove, often with poor results. Hence, the best way to get rid of stains is to remove them as soon as possible. Remember, stains must be removed before washing, as some of them may become permanent when exposed to chemicals in soaps or detergents, hot water and ironing. Different types of stains require specific stain removing techniques and agents. Depending on the type of fabrics, stains can be identified by their color, their smell and feel. How can we identify stain by its color? Every stain has a specific color. For example, the color of curry or pickle stain is yellow. A tea or coffee stain is brown. A grass stain is green, and so on. We can identify stain by smelling also. Most stains have a peculiar smell. For example, you can get a smell of egg or paint or shoe polish. You can also recognize stains by feel or touch. Stains can also change the feel of the fabric and can thus be recognized on the basis. Have you ever observed that paint or sugar make the fabric hard and stiff to touch, whereas lipstick or shoe polish make the fabric feel slippery? So let us classify different types of stains so that their removal become easy and possible for the proper maintenance of your clothes. Now we will classify the stains. You can group stains on the basis of their origin. Example, tea, coffee and many oils, banaspati and ghee come from vegetable sources. Depending on the origin, let us categorize the stains in different ways. First, vegetable stains. You get them on your clothes from tea, coffee, fruit, etc. Second, Grease stains, use of butter, ghee, oil, curry, shoe polish, tar, oil paints give you grease stains. Third, animal stains, stains from blood, milk, egg, etc. Fourth, mineral stains, when you get a stain from rust on any metal. Fifth, miscellaneous stains, that is grass stain, beetle stain, ink stain, etc. Now we will discuss about techniques of stain removal. There are two methods of stain removal, that is sponging and dipping. First we will take sponging. In this method, you place an absorbent paper or fabric under the stain so that the right side of the stain faces the absorbing surface. Sponging should always be done on the wrong side of the stain. You need to take a soft cloth, dip it in the stain remover and gently rub the stain starting from its outer corner moving inwards towards the center. Using light circular strokes, as these prevent the stain from spreading. You must change the absorbent paper or fabric, commonly known as blotter, as soon as it starts showing the stain. Second is dipping. It is a method suitable for you to remove stain if there are many or large stains on the fabric. You should immerse the entire fabric in the stain removing agent. You can choose a stain removing reagent depending upon the type of stain. Now we will talk about different methods of stain removal. First we will discuss about removing of vegetable stains. Removing tea, coffee, chocolate and fruit stains. For this, for your fresh stain on white cottons, pour boiling water on the stain. For old stains on white cottons, you need to dip the stained portion in glycerin or spread borax powder over stain and pour boiling water while holding the stained portion on the mouth of a mug or pan. For colored cotton cloths, you must soak in the warm water and add borax, that is 2 cups of boiled water plus half teaspoon of borax powder. Second, removing of henna stains. To remove fresh henna stain from white and colored cotton clothes, you need to dip in warm milk for half an hour. For removing old henna stains from white and colored cotton, you need to dip in warm milk for half an hour and do it 2 to 3 times. Now we will talk about removal of animal stains, that is blood, egg and meat stains. Removal of blood, egg and meat stains. For removing fresh stains from white and colored cotton cloths, you need wash with cold water and soap. For old stains from white and colored cotton cloths, you should soak in salt water. You can prepare salt solution for adding 2 tablespoons of salt plus half bucket of water or in dilute ammonia. Now we will talk about grease stains. Or we can say, how can we remove grease stains? For removing fresh stains from white and colored cotton cloths, you must wash with hot water and soap, dry on grass or shrub or plant in the sunlight. And for old grease stains from the white and colored cotton cloths, you need to make a paste of soap and water and apply it on the stain. Leave it wet in the sunlight until it is removed. For removing of paint, shoe polish, nail polish, lipstick, ball pen stains, you must scrape the excess stains and sponge gently with methylated spirit or kerosene. This method you should follow for both the fresh and colored stains for white and colored cotton cloths. Now we come into removal of mineral stains or iron rust stains, that is iron rust stains. For removing fresh iron rust stains from white cotton cloths, you should rub the stain with lime juice and salt. For your old stain from white and colored cotton clothes, you should apply dilute oxalic acid and neutralize with dilute borax solution. Now we will discuss about removal of miscellaneous stains. First, removal of grass stains. You should wash the stain with soap and water to remove fresh grass stain from white and colored cotton cloths. For removing old grass stains from white and colored cotton cloths, you need to sponge the stain portion with methylated spirit. For removing of beetle leaf stains, to remove fresh and old stains from white and colored cotton fabric, you should apply a paste of onions and leave it in sunlight. Removal of ink stains. For stain, you should wash white and colored cotton cloths with soap and cold water. For old ink stains, you should need to soak white and colored cotton cloths in sour buttermilk or lassi for half an hour. You can either apply lime juice and salt and leave it in the sun or bleach the stain. Now we will discuss about precautions to be adopted while removing stains. First, you must have seen that when the stain is still fresh, it is easy to remove them from clothes. Hence, as far as possible, remove the stain when it is still fresh. Second, first try out the chemical on a small portion of the fabric, on the inner side of the seam or some portion of the garment which is not visible when worn. In case the fabric or its color is getting damaged, you must not use the chemical. You should use dilute and mild reagents as these are less harmful, though it might take a little longer to remove the stain. You should rinse the fabric several times after the removal of the stain, or the reagent may damage the fabric on drying. Till now, we talked about stains and different methods of stain removal depending on their types. I hope you must have understood this topic well.